Assalamualaikum. Today I will unbox the Samsung A7 tab which I ordered from Airbinger. I ordered it on November 28, 2020. I received this product on December 26, 2020. I got the product in just 28 days, Alhamdulillah, but the estimate date was January 13, 2021. The price of this product was 17,700 BDT Taka. So the actual price on USA $149. I ordered it from the Best Buy website, USA version. I didn't think Airbinger would surprise me this way. I didn't think it would come so soon. One thing that I told them, please do bubble wrap my product during delivery. They kept my word. Another thing to keep in mind when making online payments on Airbinger is that additional charge. Their online payment charges are so high. I have paid around 2,000 extra charge, 2,000 Taka BDT extra charge for this product. So if you want to avoid this extra charge, you will make a bank transfer through EFT. They will confirm the payment within 1 working day. Another thing is the interest rate for EMI. The interest rate of EMI is 8.29% for 12 months. Okay. Keep this in mind too. Without online payment, if you plus EMI, you can bring any products from USA at lowest cost via Airbinger. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks Airbinger.